Hi, welcome to Houston. I'm here in HP's Moonshot Discovery Lab, and I'm excited about what we're going to be able to show you today. My name is Mark Potter, and I'm Senior Vice President and General Manager of HP's Industry Standard Server and Software Group.
And I'm Paul Santler, Vice President and General Manager of the Hyperscale Business Unit. The Discovery Lab, it's an exciting place where customers can come to kick the tires on the next generation of innovation. We provided the capabilities for customers to come and test, tune, and port their applications to the next generation architecture so they can save on power, space, and density.
Let's show them around, Paul.
Okay.
Here we are in the HP Moonshot Discovery Lab. In this lab, we can actually host thousands and thousands of servers. As a matter of fact, a typical rack can house up to 10 of the Moonshot 1500 systems. And we have customers from all around the world innovating in this lab, testing and developing on our Moonshot systems. Paul, how do they do that?
Well, customers can do it one of two ways, either remotely or in person. We prefer that they start off in person here first to get to know everything, and then they can finish up their testing from their offices.
Why don't we open up a Moonshot system and show them a little bit about what's inside?
Okay. Here's the insides of a Moonshot 1500. As you can see, it's a very good example of converged infrastructure. What we have is individual servers, and each one of these servers shares the complete infrastructure: fabric, storage, networking, power, you name it. This is a complete server on a card. We have the microprocessor, we have the memory, we have the network interface adapter, and we have the disk drive. Everything on one server.
It's up to 45 servers. As a matter of fact, the one Moonshot system, we can actually get up to 180 servers in this one system. That's amazing. Paul, how do we connect all these up?
Well, you wouldn't want to do it by cable, so we've got built-in switches. We have Ethernet switches, an A switch and a B switch. And this allows you to have high-speed uplinks for all of the servers connected together all at once.
As a matter of fact, we have over 10 terabits per second of I/O built into this. Incredible amount of future proofing, ready for massive amount of workloads run in that one system. I'd like to now take you through a little bit more about what we mean by application optimized serving or a software defined server. The amount of savings are quite amazing when you perfectly optimize a server for a particular scaled out workload. Let's take a closer look, Paul.
Sure, Mark. This is actually our first production Moonshot server. It's based on the Intel Atom, and it was designed in partnership with our host provider community. For a certain portion of the customer base, they need a dedicated 1U 2P solution, and so they were doing that as a complete solution. What we can do with Moonshot is actually change the game, and we can provide huge energy savings and power savings overall.
That's right. The amount of savings when you perfectly optimize a server for that particular use case is amazing. Up to 80% less space. How did we achieve that, Paul?
Mark, one rack of Moonshots can replace 8 racks of traditional 1U 2P servers.
That's right, it's like 45 servers in this one solution, and it's amazing. But it's not just about kind of space savings, it's really about delivering our customers savings across all areas. A big area that we really focused on was energy, up to 89% less energy. How did we achieve that, Paul?
Mark, we really did that in 3 ways. The first way we did that was using energy efficient components. We used different components that were used than doing traditional servers. The second way we did it is with a shared infrastructure. This shared infrastructure provides everything that's required for this server community, and therefore there's no extra components that are replicated in individual servers. And then the third way is we right-sized it. We didn't provide them too much power, we provide them the right amount of processing power, the right amount of shared components, the right amount of everything that was required for that application. So by targeting an application and designing a server for that application, it gave us the ability to provide huge savings overall.
That's right. When you kind of put all this together, a hoster actually has a solution that delivers 77% less cost than today's 1U set of servers, and it's 97% less complex, able to manage this one Moonshot system as one, up to 45 servers. Absolutely amazing. But we didn't stop there. The whole point of the Moonshot program was really to create a whole ecosystem of innovation. We call it the Pathfinder Innovation Ecosystem, where hardware vendors, software vendors, as well as customers can come and innovate together to perfectly optimize their applications for the scale that they need and get these kinds of savings across many different workloads.
And now we'd like to hear from some of our partners.